doors, nobody safe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Check it out.
I walk around town with the pound strapped down to my side. No frontin' just in case I gotta smoke something. Round here, heads don't act the age. It might be another dead boy on page. Into the cipher with your lighter. L's are ready, prepare for another all-nighter. But keep a watch for the cops, cause they rock glocks. Coming on the block trying to rock knots. Pigs be acting like they bigger than us niggas from the streets, cause we stalk mad deep and them walk beats. I guess them all a grudge cause I won't budge. Playing tough, staring down the judge with my hands cuffed. Standing there with my nappy hair and my dirty gear. All a war year, now I'm up out of here. Pigs lift me up and down with the front. Is it because I'm down or is it because I'm from Bucktown? Home of the original gun clappers. 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 Home of the original gun clappers.
Got 5 MC that wanna contest weed. Got your nooses ready hanging over the trees. Bring on your sounds and get drowned by my massive. Kill your body boy and hold your lover for hostage. Knock, knock, nigga, knock. That's 4 shots empty. On the violation.